Hello and welcome to Forex Trading for a Good Living.com. Right now, I want you to pop open the browser and go to our site, Forex Trading for a Good Living.com, and just sign up for a free newsletter, okay? It's more than a newsletter. We pack it with all sorts of good stuff, content, tips, new trading systems, new discoveries, okay? Anything that can help you accelerate your trading, your Forex trading rapidly, okay? And the newsletter will continually evolve over time, and if you're in Forex trading, you need to be a subscriber, okay? My name is Tony, and we're going to get started here. And the topic of this video is how much can you make in trend trading Forex? Okay, well, the big question is, what's a trend? Okay, how are you going to identify the trend? All right, well, there's a couple methods in brief. Okay, there are several different trend trading systems. I just put the finishing touches on a absolutely fantastic, almost near perfect trend trading system, okay? One that has worked for the past 100 years in the stock market, okay? And it works the same and even better in the Forex markets, okay? Futures as well. And it's just fantastic, and it can be day traded, it could be traded with the day bars or 60-minute bars, etc. with fantastic accuracy and just munches up those points, okay? But anyways, aside from that, you need to join our newsletter to find out more about that system. And we haven't officially launched it as of this recording, but you never know by the time you're seeing this video. Anyway, so what's a trend? Well, obviously, a trend is a momentous movement, okay, that's going in a certain direction, okay. We make a lot of money when we can ride a trend, okay, by as the masses build the momentum, we want to ride that, okay. We want to ride decisive action with conviction. There's a lot of conviction going on here, okay. All right, the sky is falling. Okay, this is the euro dollar, and there's just what's a trend? That's a trend. Okay, that's a trend, right? These are little swing movements here. Okay, and within a trend there are swing movements. Okay, so swing movements are 2 to 5 day on average, sometimes 8 or 12 days. Okay. But those are the blocks of making a trend, okay? This is what I define as a trend, okay? And a trend can last from 1 month to 3 months and to even 6 months, okay? But that's, okay, now we're getting into different definitions. But bottom line here is I want to show you, we want to take out a big block of movement. Well, as a brief overview, because I'm already running out of time, okay, so first of all, we need a method of defining a trend. Well, we have some squiggly lines on here called moving averages, and the green one and the blue one, okay? Well, the blue one and the green one, they are signaling, they have their own signals. I mean, in terms of accuracy for entry, that's another question, but for exact entry, of course, but for a general ballpark, hey, pretty good. Okay, for example, look at this blue line, all right? It's just riding this blue line, and then it breaks the blue line, and it just changes its entire mood, and it just starts barreling down for 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, oops, 1,000, 2,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 pips, okay? But what's 3,000 pips mean? 3,000 pips means on the standard contract, your $1,000 investment, okay, for your margin goes to $30,000 for a 3,000% return. Is that right? 3,000%? Yeah. So that's incredible, okay? All right, so, okay, Warren Buffett, okay, I remember hearing a couple years back, I think he just rode the currency, I think it was the euro, I can't remember, but he rode that thing for a couple $1 billion in profit. He was riding a different type of trend, a little bigger picture trend. I call it an investment trend, okay? But he was able to identify his entry and ride the trend. And then when the trend shifted, he got out, okay? Now, with Warren Buffett, do you think he's just going by feeling all the time? No. When you're managing billions and billions of dollars and have his kind of track record, you have all sorts of definitions that are very specific and well tested throughout time. Now in trading, there's nothing that's like guarantee type of thing. If you're looking for that, you're always taking a chance in trading. Okay, I don't want to go too far off from this philosophy, but if you always admit you're taking a fair chance, you put yourself in a good position. Okay, you put yourself in the positive position to taking a shot at riding these trends. If you're looking for a sure, safe thing all the time, you'll usually you get yourself in the emotional realm, and the emotional realm, from my experience, is what, 95% wrong. Okay, it's very strange, especially in trading, very strange. So, anyways, this is a picture here. What's a trend? The blue line's pretty nifty. Look at that. Okay, okay. For example, this is a trend. It's trending, then it kind of stops trending and it goes sideways, right? Standard. Well, when do we know it starts going up again? Well, how about this? When this little contraption is broken, okay, and we have a new start of a trend here, okay? So, anyways, let's say we compartmentalize this trend here, okay? Boom, like this, okay? And we ride it and we get out around here, okay? We get this trend, for example, and we ride this from, let's say, let me get my little cursor window up here. Alrighty, 55, 55, well, let's just say 5575. Let's say we get out around here, 4328. Let's get the old calculator out. 5575 minus 4328, was it? So, boom, 1,247 pips, okay? Okay, now the thing is, you need to get to a point where you can identify where you get in exactly and where you get out exactly, okay? And you need to purposely go for the trend. Trend trading is one of the best ways of making and keeping money, okay, in trading. And I'm going to talk about this the rest of this little video. All right, this is one of the best ways. Sometimes when you get into day trading or swing trading, you can get too active and burn yourself out, especially if you're not that good at it or if your system stinks. You can really throw yourself in a tizzy, then you get mad, and then you ruin your account. Okay, that's the cycle on that one. But as you get better in practice and stuff, and then if you're committed to a day trading system, you can make a fortune. If you're committed to a swing trading system, you can make a fortune. Trend trading, there's more. It's just you don't get as involved, but it's more relaxing because you're letting this bigger trend develop, and it's a nice positive thing. Okay, I encourage most people to be trend traders. Anyways, so 1,247 pips. Okay, your $1,000 goes to 12,470 for a 1,200% return. That's just fantastic. Okay, what if you on trend trading you're going to trade a little bigger than you would for day trading? So if you wrote 10 contracts, okay. Let's see, I can make it before 10 minutes here. 1,047. Okay, times 10 per pip. Okay, times 10 contracts. Well, all of a sudden you can make $124,700 in one move. Okay, I'm going to end this. Goodbye. Thank you.